What if I told you that right now, today, you could be generating videos with 4 of the most powerful AI video models on the planet without spending a single dollar? No trial periods, no strange hacks, just completely free and legal access. Stay with me for the next few minutes because I'm going to walk you through the exact setup I use. By the end of this video, you'll know where to access each model, which versions remain free, and how to check their availability before you waste time or money. And if you enjoy discovering free AI tools and practical step-by-step workflows like this, subscribe. Welcome to ProfitTube, where we test the newest AI tools and turn them into practical step-by-step tutorials for creators. I test the newest AI tools every week so you know what actually works and what isn't worth your time. Now let me show you why this matters. If you wanted to pay for all 4 of these models separately, here is what that would actually cost you. Veo 3.1 requires a Google AI Pro subscription at $20 per month. Grok video generation needs Super Grok, which runs $30 a month. Kling 3.0 has its own $10 plan, and Seedance 2.0 from ByteDance would cost you somewhere between $18 and $20 monthly. Add all of that together, and you are looking at nearly $80 every single month just to generate AI video. For most people watching this right now, that number is simply not realistic. So I spent weeks testing different platforms and methods to find a solution that actually works without any compromises on quality. Before we get into the main platform, I want to show you something useful inside Google Flow. When you open Flow and start a new project, you land on a really clean interface. The thing most people miss here is that image generation using the Nano Banana model is completely free and unlimited. You can also build reusable character templates, so whatever character you create appears consistently across multiple scenes without drifting. Now, Flow does hit a limit when you try to generate videos. You can typically squeeze out around 5 videos per day before it stops, and then you come back the next day and repeat. That said, the image and character creation side of Flow is genuinely unlimited, and I want you to remember that because those assets become useful later when we feed them into the stronger models. Now here is where it gets really interesting. The platform that makes all 4 premium models accessible for free is called GeminiGen. This site is not sponsoring this video, so everything I am about to tell you, I verified myself through actual testing. When you first land on the platform, it looks like a standard paid AI tool. You see pricing plans, model options, and nothing obviously free. But the free access is hidden on purpose, and I will explain why in a second. Here is what you do. Go to the top navigation and click on the section labeled Studio. Once you are inside, you will see the models we talked about at the beginning: Veo, Grok, Kling, and the ByteDance model, which turns out to be Seedance 2.0. Before you sign in, if you scroll down, you will notice every generation shows a credit cost. Do not panic. The key is to create a free account first. Use the Sign In button in the top right corner and connect with your Google account. Once you are logged in and go back to the Veo model, something changes. The generation cost drops to 0 credits. Here is the important thing to know about which specific Veo options stay free. The Veo 3.1 Fast and Veo 3.1 Lite versions remain at 0 credits. If you accidentally select the standard Veo 3.1 model, it will charge credits again. So stick to those 2 free variants. Select one, type your prompt, set the output to HD, choose horizontal format, and hit generate. Within a few minutes, your video is ready. And unlike some platforms that say free but make you wait hours, this actually delivers in a reasonable time. The quality is solid, and the videos even include audio. Now for Grok, Kling, and Seedance, things work a bit differently, and this is the part that trips most people up. The platform rotates which models are available at 0 credits each day. The reason for this is smart, actually. If every model were free all the time, people would hammer the servers constantly and the whole thing would collapse. So they keep most people guessing. One day the Google models might be free and Grok is under maintenance. The next day, Grok could flip to 0 credits. To know exactly which models are active right now without any guessing, click on the status section inside the platform. It shows you in real time which models are operational and which are currently unavailable. Check back every day and you will eventually get access to all 4 of these models for free without paying anything. Now, I want to give you a bonus option for those of you who are still watching, because even when GeminiGen gets overloaded or certain models are down, there is one completely separate free tool that almost nobody talks about. Meta has its own image and video generation tool available directly on their official website, and it has no daily limit and is rarely under maintenance. Head to Meta's website, go to the Create section, and you can generate both horizontal and vertical images and videos. When you prompt for an image, it returns 4 variations from the same prompt. You can then pick the one you like, apply a restyle, make targeted edits to specific elements, and then animate it into a video. You get 2 animation options, one where Meta automatically adds natural motion, and another where you write your own animation prompt for more control over the movement. So here's the complete system. Use Google Flow for free image generation and reusable character creation. Use GeminiGen Studio section to access VEO 3.1 Fast and VEO 3.1 Lite when they're available at 0 credits. Check the status page regularly to catch Grok, Kling, and Seedance when they rotate into free access. And keep Meta's official creation tool as your backup whenever the other platforms are overloaded or temporarily unavailable. Between these options, you can experiment with some of today's most capable AI video models without paying for 4 separate subscriptions. I've placed all the direct links in the description below so you can test the workflow yourself. Before you leave, comment below and tell me which model you're going to try first: VEO, Grok, Kling, or Seedance. I'm curious to see which one gets the most votes. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to ProfitTube for more AI tools, tutorials, and creator tips. I'll see you in the next video.